Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to add a voiceover inside of Canva. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is open up Canva, and then I'm guessing you've probably got a presentation you'd like to add a voiceover to. Doesn't need to be a presentation, can be anything. Then from here we want to go ahead and click on to present, and then it will say here present and record, so you can record yourself as you present. So click onto that, then click on to go to the recording studio. Then from here we need to set up your camera and microphone. Canva needs access to your camera and mic so that you can record yourself while giving a presentation. So go ahead and make sure you've done that. So I've got no camera on this laptop, but I've got a my microphone is selected here, so I am using a fine microphone. So make sure you select the right microphone, like so. And then from here we can go ahead and click on start recording, and then it's going to give a countdown, and now we could start recording on your presentation. And it should say here you are now recording on the bottom left hand corner of the page. Now if you want to pause it, you can, like so. You can resume the recording, and then once you've done, you can add your notes to your design. We can also end recording, like so. From there, it's going to say here uploading your recording, so keep this browser window open while recording. This might take a while. Then from here we've got the option to save and exit or download.